guys, I am Beck Gange and I'm a two-time world champion wakeboarder and I'm also a reality TV star. I grew up in Mildura, Australia and now I live in Clermont, Florida. I wakeboarded when I was 14 and I turned pro in 2013 and I have never looked back and still love it to this day. My most memorable moments in my career is winning the World Championships in 2014 and also winning the 2020 Moomba Masters in Melbourne, Australia. The first run of the day, I'm watching for the wake to form and what it looks like once the boat is up to speed. I'm also thinking about the tricks that I'm going to link together that day. I've had some amazing support throughout my career and a few of them are Tommy's boats and Fatsacks and also Axis boats and Hyperlight wakeboards. My Axis boat is amazing, it's the A24, it throws out one of the best wakes in the industry and I just love everything about it, the colours, really big. In a sport like wakeboarding and being a world-class athlete, injuries are bound to happen. That's why eating healthy, off-water training and being mentally strong is so important. When I first start my edge, I look at the wake and where I'm going to hit it. Different tricks have different approaches. I grew up teaching myself to wakeboard, which was a lot of trial and error. I believe what I know now, if I knew when I was just beginning, I would have learned a lot quicker. So I love passing down that knowledge to the next generation of riders and anyone who wants to learn to wakeboard. I love seeing people smiling and succeeding. Even though I've been wakeboarding for over half my life, there is nothing that I'd rather do. This episode of Who You Might See on the Lakes is brought to you by Cypress Cove Bar.